Okay, good morning everybody here on the Thursday 28th of January. So we're going to be looking at making equal groups by grouping, a slightly different method to sharing. So let's go over our top sheet. Our vocabulary was groups, equal groups, sharing, share between, grouping, divided and division. And we're going to be making our equal groups, and then we've had a look at making equal groups by sharing. Today we're going to focus on grouping, and then we'll need to look at when we use sharing and when we use grouping. And if we need to, we'll link it to the bar model. We'll also be thinking about our division facts of sharing by 2, dividing by 3, and dividing by 10. So let's warm up our maths brains to start off with. Here are some quick questions for you to go through. Brilliant, well done for having a go at those. Let's just check through these. So we start at 41 and we count back 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the number line, and that equals 36. Well done using the number line. Okay, let's look at this. 30 plus 49. I'm actually going to start with 49. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm going to add on my 30, which is 3 tens. So I've got 7 tens now, which is 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. So 30 plus 49 is 79. Okay, so we have got 0, 3, counting in threes, so 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and 24. Okay, here we've got a little bit of a multiplication going on. So we have got 1, 2, 3 ladybirds, each with 5 spots on. So we've got 3 equal groups of 5. So that's a repeated addition of 5. Add 5, add 5, which gives us 15. So today we are looking at making those equal groups. So that means we're not going one for you, one for me, one for you, one for me, or one for you, one for mum, one for dad. We're going to take 3 at a time. So we've got 27 cubes here. I'm going to take these 3 and put them in a group. I'm going to take another 3 and put them in a group. I'm just going to keep taking these 3 cubes and grouping them at a time. So I'm making groups of 3, making another group of 3, making another group of 3. I'll make another group of 3, and I'll make another group of 3. So how many groups of 3 have I made? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 equal groups of 3. So you might like to get some equipment and have a go. Make a group of 4. So that's where you take 4 at a time. Take another 4. Take another 4. How many groups of 4 can you make? Brilliant. Let's see how we could do it. So I could take this 4, couldn't I? Then I could take this 4. I could take this 4. I could take this 4. And then I could take this 4. So you can see that I've got 5 equal groups of 4. So I want you to have another practice at that. So if you get 20 objects, can you group them into 4? So that's taking a group of 4 objects, take another group of 4 objects. How many did you get in each one? Then have another go, have a go at the other ones with the different numbers. So now you've had a go, 20 groups into 20 objects, putting them into 4s should have given you 5 equal groups. And for this one, you had 15 objects and you grouped them into 5s, so you should have had 3 equal groups. And then here we would have had 8 equal groups of 2, and for this one, you would have had 4 equal groups of 3. So you're taking equal groups of 3 at a time. So we are going to go straight into our activities today for the grouping. So here I would like to get out 18 objects and put them into equal groups of 3. So take 3, take another 3, take another 3. How many groups do you make? Then do the same for the lemons and the oranges. Again, we're going to look at this one. And can you make equal groups of 3? Will this one make equal groups of 3? Will this one or with this one? So which ones of those make equal groups of 3? And then you know to decide who is right. Looking forward to seeing your learning on Dojo later. Have a great day.